arbitrationagreements.org. Disputes are inevitable. They happen in every business, big or small. But how you resolve them can make a world of difference. Traditional litigation can be costly. In the United States, a company spends on average 2 to 3 years and upwards of $1 million to litigate a case through trial. And the time it takes is time taken away from focusing on your business growth. But what if you could handle disputes more efficiently? Welcome to the future of dispute resolution. Welcome to virtual arbitration. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. Our association is a leader in virtual arbitration services across the USA. The mission is simple: resolving your disputes efficiently and effectively. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. Research shows that arbitration can resolve disputes up to 60% faster than traditional litigation. It reduces costs and ensures a fair and equitable outcome for all parties involved. With virtual arbitration, you're not just saving time and money, you're getting peace of mind. The peace of mind to focus on what truly matters: your business. Our association provides full-scale virtual arbitration services. Our team of experienced arbitrators is just a click away, ready to guide you through the process. So, let's resolve disputes the smart way. Please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.